This guy's giving us a show, dude. Are you seeing this? This butterfly is just incredible. It's giving us a show from heaven. Incredible. You can't get this close to a butterfly. Absolutely a miracle. Touches my heart. Monday, June 15th, Flag Day, 2020. Gardening with Larry. A little bit of heaven. Back for some more. Incredible. Me and my butterfly. Me and my butterfly. New pumpkin pod. 3 seeds from 2 years ago. This guy is giving me a show straight from heaven, man. Straight from heaven. Tomatoes. Okay, that should be good till this evening. I need to go eat breakfast. What'd you think, Millie? What'd you think of those? What'd you think of that butterfly, man? What'd you think of that butterfly? Incredible? From heaven? Yeah. The butterfly was from heaven, dude. Yes, it encouraged me today. It did. It worked. God bless you. You wanna go eat? Let's go eat. You wanna go eat? Let's go eat. You're watching Larry TV.